If you want to unlink your Gmail account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find Gmail in the list. Scroll through the list of apps and websites until you find the entry for Gmail. Click on it to view the details of the connection. Step 5. Remove the connection. After selecting Gmail, you will see an option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to disconnect your Gmail account from Facebook. Now your Gmail account is successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.